Thank you, Habibis. Habibti, thank you so much.
We need a break, guys. I told you a lot of times we need a break, but guess what? From now on, we don't need a break. Why? Because we're starting because of you. And another thing, bali bali, bali bali.
Genuinely, it's been an amazing family feel, which allows us to absorb the knowledge. We've learned so much. And to our three amazing teachers, you are the true muallim, the true master chief. And we only hope to become a fraction of what you have become.
See, guys, I'm dancing. Wallah, I'm dancing. I'm going to dance at the wedding too, wallah. We'll fix your cameras as well. Bye.
Bale bale, right here, right now. It depends. It depends. Muallim, Habibi, Muallim.
Thank you, Sam, Azhar, and Mukesh. Bale bale.
MashaAllah to Sam, Mukesh and Azhar. Alhamdulillah for this wonderful experience and all of your teaching. And for Mukesh, good boy!
You've answered my 5 million questions, and not once you've made me feel that I'm asking too many questions. So thank you from my heart, and stay amazing. Thank you.
Not made for TV. I need a timeout. I need a break, Mukesh. I'm done. Tap tap and bye.
What a break. What a nice break that we had with all these amazing guys. Azhar, Sam, Mukesh, thank you so much. Thank you, truly. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So I'd just like to make a big thanks to everyone at the PI team. That's Mukesh, Sam and Azhar. And we will never forget how good Mukesh has been at entertaining, pushing us, doing everything that we need to do. So happy to have come to this course.
Right here, right now. Right here, right now. We did this, guys. We did this. We did this, guys. Balle, balle. Balle, balle. I love you, Sam. I love you, Azhar. I love you, Mukesh. It's the best course of the year. It's the best course in the world. And that's all for me. You will be sleep deprived, but you will have the best time of your life. Thank you. خلاص.